Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I'm here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, right now, I'm doing my Uber Eats grind, and, you know, I got a lot of, good downloads, you feel me, that I want to be able to share with y'all. So, first thing is, do you truly, honestly, believe in what you want in yourself? Because as you go throughout life, you have to learn that, number one, you're with yourself 24/7. And you might have these limitations that you'll set on yourself based off of outside noise, outside words, people, you know what I'm saying? Things that people have said about you that subconsciously you started to believe. And your subconscious, like I tell y'all all the time, your subconscious doesn't know the difference between a joke and something that's very, very serious. So, you know, as human beings, we all have choices, we all have decisions, right, to make, and you have to learn yourself, right? So, I wanna tell y'all, bro, whatever you want to do, believe in yourself. Point blank, period. Point blank, period. Because you have your higher self, you know, you have your infinite spirit, your infinite energy. That is who you truly are. And your higher self knows what you want and knows the person that you want to become. You know what I'm saying? Your lower self is worried about people's opinions and what this person like if I did this, or does this person like me, and stuff like that. Bro, in your walks through life, bro, everybody's not gonna like you. People don't even, everybody's trying to get to know themselves. So everybody's not going to like you or have your best interest. But you have to have your own best interest, and you have to be willing to make the best decisions for the long term. Alright? If you want to be bro, whatever you want to be, as long as it is adding value to the planet, do it. I honestly, on my YouTube journey, right? The one of the main things that I want to talk to you guys about is leaving the PMO alone, retain your seed, and investing into stocks. You know, I feel like I've been holding myself back a little bit because I'm like, dang, are people really gonna get the information when it comes down to the stock market? You know, people are quick to judge you based off of your appearance, right? We all think about it, right? Everybody's their own avatar, literally. Everybody is their own avatar out here, and you never know, bro. When you're learning yourself and you're learning who you truly are, and you're becoming more wiser, more smarter, don't be so quick to judge people, bro. Real talk. So that's the first thing I want to talk to you about. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about is listen, man. Money is energy. Money is a form of currency. Alright? You should be receptive. You should be open to receiving, because there is no reason why you should not feel like you're worthy to attract money into your human experience. Alright? The reason why I want to talk about this is because there will be people that will tell you and try to program you. Remember, your subconscious, bro, your subconscious picks up on things very, very fast. There will be people that try to program you to think that money itself is a bad thing. That is dumb. That is the worst programming that they've pushed to the masses, right? Because, or not, yeah, what people have pushed to the masses. Because that is subconsciously keeping you from attracting money into your human experience, right? And helping you gotta have money working for you so that you're creating for your future self. You know what I'm saying? If you're around people that's telling you, oh, money is a root of all evil. No, it's people. Just like this planet, bro. This planet is beautiful, right? But you put a whole bunch of people on the planet. You put a whole bunch of people on the planet, right? And us as humans, we learning ourselves. We gotta learn how to control our emotions. We have to learn how to make better decisions, not be so impulsive, stuff like that. So, people mess up the planet. When it comes down to money, when it comes down to finances, start telling yourself, I have the ability to create. I have the ability to attract money into my human experience. I have the ability to save, to invest, to pay off things that I have to pay off, and to still keep money coming in. Like, you have to have that mindset. You can't have a scarcity mindset and expect to attract money. Bro, why y'all think I come out here on a day-to-day? You feel me? Even though Uber been doing this BS with this schedule stuff, this is why I need to start adding more value to the YouTube. Because I need my YouTube sources to increase. That is a necessity. That is a need. That point blank period, bro. And there's nothing wrong with wanting more for yourself. They want you to be programmed to think that that's bad. I want more for myself, so that takes away from somebody else. No, it don't. No, it don't, bro. So much reprogramming in this freaking reality. Real talk. But start reminding yourself, bro. Money is energy. You need it. Alright? It's not just you. Like, look, think about it, right? This is how they finesse in the matrix, right? Consumerism. They want you to buy all this stuff. Somebody gonna think they got the best hoodie. It's Konsubi, right? Whatever it is, Spider, Essentials, right? They gonna think they the greatest because they got this stuff. Look, Gucci. Bro, it's consumer land. You see how people be having money to their ear, thinking that they the best? No, bro, chill out. That is dumb. What you're supposed to be doing is investing in and having something work for you. Point blank period, right? Go buy you some real estate in the stock market. Go buy you a stock. How many people know about stocks? How many people know about owning businesses? How many people know about that? Right? You programmed to think that I gotta impress other people. No, you don't. No, you don't. The only person that you need to impress is yourself, you know? And that's it. You don't have to impress nobody on this planet, bruh. Because nobody is going to care about you the way that you need to care about yourself. Nobody's going to care about your well-being. Nobody cares about the Jordans you got on, the clothes that you got on. Bro, like, why y'all think with me, I keep this stuff, I keep it super basic. I'm not here on this planet to try to impress other people. Nah. I'm focused on what's important, bro. Like, being able to see through this stuff, like, and I get it. A lot of people aren't taught, right? Delaying your gratification. Delaying your gratification. That's one thing you have to learn. You have to embed it in your brain. You have to build that muscle. I will delay my gratification. You know what I'm saying? Because if you have the money to purchase all of these things to help other people get rich, why not help yourself out? Because it's called opportunity cost, bro. When you thinking that all of this materialistic stuff that's to make you feel good, when you thinking that that's the only point of money, bro, that's not it. You know what I'm saying? Opportunity cost is the time that you're wasting, the time that you can't get back. Who about to be one time? Nobody. Real talk. You don't have to worry about impressing other people, bro. You don't have to focus on that. That is not the most important thing in this world, bro. Social media, in some way, shape, or form, the Instagram and all this extra stuff, I feel like they program people in that type of way. I gotta go to the club. I gotta spend all the money. I gotta have the biggest chain. I gotta have this, that, and the third. But are you secure within yourself? Like, do you love yourself unconditionally without that stuff? Like, I get it, bro. Like, it makes some people feel good. I get it. But like, when you take that stuff off, do you still love yourself? That's the real thing, bro. Like, unconditional love for yourself. You know, having a positive belief, having a more positive mindset towards the things that you want. I'm not sitting there saying, oh, everything's gonna go your way. Man, this human experience, bro. You can't be afraid to fail. You can't be afraid to mess up, because that's how you learn. You learn through all that shit, bro. I've been failing at a lot of different things, bro, but I'm still learning. I'm still learning, bro. But like, the internal protection, the internal world is the most important. You don't have to impress other people. Be, you know, like, be happy with yourself. For real. And like I told you guys earlier, man, stay open to receiving, bruh. Take action. Take action, bruh. Buy you some stocks. Today is Saturday, stock market is closed. Tomorrow is Sunday, stock market is closed. Monday, when the stock market open, buy you some stocks. Purchase you something that's going to continue to pay you when you sleeping. Continue to pay you when you living your life, bruh. My boy look like Klay Thompson, real talkative. My boy Klay Thompson 2.0. But purchase the assets, you know, and that's it, man. Like, delay your gratification, bro, and retain your seed. Alright? I just wanted to share these downloads which I had to express this. If y'all gained something from the video, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, leave your comments below. And I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all. Yes, sir.